Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that aPriori token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, aPriori is an MEV infrastructure and liquid staking protocol natively built on the Monad blockchain, designed to optimize transaction routing and boosting staking yields. Core purpose, it acts as an intelligent order flow coordination layer, classifying and routing transactions to improve efficiency and capture value for users. Primary product, its flagship offering in primary products. Its flagship offering is APR Mon, a liquid staking token that let users stake Mon tokens while using the derivative in DeFi. Token role, the APR token facilitates governance and participation within the aPriori ecosystem. aPriori project institution rating is 4. aPriori token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 215.93 million APR token. APR token is listed on Coinbase, Binance Alpha, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.